This is a DDAmanda video on 4 Cable TV International, stock symbol CATV OTC. I love this symbol, CATV, that's sexy. I have this theory that half the run of success of any stock is the symbol. Fully 50%. If you got a sexy symbol, you're going to do good. Anyway, we first noticed this one on 5/13, that's a Monday, with this 200-day low scan alert combined with a 6 factor. Okay, and look at this. Actually went down to trip 3 here on the same day. So we started looking at this and noticed that it went up a little bit here, and then we have an 8 factor here. Anyway, we started looking at this, and so the first thing we're going to do is push the summary button here, SU1, and find out what the story on this company is. Okay, so it says here, our company's in the hemp cultivation and sale of hemp-based products. A 6-acre facility in Homestead, Florida. So that's not really that earth-shattering. So let's look at what else could have happened here. So let's push the news here. And on 5/15, I guess it's in here twice. They've also got a letter to shareholders that we're going to get to, but it says here they announced a letter of intent to acquire genetic networks, and they're expanding into the biotech sector. Very interesting. Okay, so let's just check out this news here. So here we go here. This is better. Announces letter of intent to acquire genetic networks, expanding into biotech. Biotech's sexy, right? Okay, Miami. For Cable TV International, soon to be known as Category V Biotech. So guess what? They're going to do a name change. So they got a letter of intent to acquire Genetic Networks LLC, a leader in applied molecular biology and drug development. Pretty cool, huh? So they have this proprietary platform called GeneScape, which facilitates rapid and unbiased discovery of optimal drug compounds through whole genome analysis. Pretty technical stuff. But anyway, I wanted to go to the actual website of CATV, and because here's the thing, there is a lot of out-of-date information on OTC markets. In other words, these guys are just starting out here with a new direction. So, like, even this website is that's not live, but I found out where their real website is. So they need to do a lot of updating here, okay? But like I said, they got, I guess they got a lot of stuff on their plate, but I would put a priority on that. So anyway, let's look at this is their actual website, CATV. Um, they're talking about legalized medical marijuana, blah, blah, and they do have the latest press release here. So here it is again. This is their intent to acquire this genetic networks outfit. We already just read this. But anyway, I looked up this website here, and where are we? There it is, right here. Check this out. Genetic networks. Accelerating drug asset development through applied modular biology. Okay, it says primordial network conserved throughout. The findings are not limited to specific diseases, but rather they inform all and any of these applied areas of medicine. In other words, these guys have got something that's I've never really heard of this. This is pretty wild here. And you got this guy, Dr. Leland Hartwell, 2001 Nobel Prize. Look at this crap. Look at that shit. And you can, we got here some under, if you click on the leadership, let's look at this guy. here he is right here. This Leland Hartwell. Look at this stuff. These are the founders, okay? And you got this Leland Hartwell receiving a 2001 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, a member of National. These guys are high. These guys are top guns. These are high-power guys. PhD, PhD. Here's a couple more guys. Corey Nislo, PhD, PhD, co-founders. And then James Haywood, MIT-trained mechanical engineer. I guess he does some of the machining, what have you. Anyway, this is pretty impressive here, guys. I love this. So, I think what's going to happen here when people start clocking this is going to kind of blow up, is what I'm thinking. I mean, look at the price here, 0011. It moved a little bit on that news, but not much. I mean, we got hardly any money going on. This is a ground floor deal, okay? And I'm expecting some more developments. There was one other news item that they reported, and this is pretty interesting. I guess this just happened. Look at this. Justice Department moves to reclassify marijuana. That's on the 16th. That was one day after this. What do we got here? Data temporarily unavailable. Really? That's just great. Come on, guys. Oh, there it is. Here we go. Alright, so for immediate release, Justice Department. Thursday, May 16th. That was just a few days ago. Finally announced. I said formally announced, but I read it as finally announced the groundbreaking shift in U.S. drug policy. I think finally is a better word for here instead of formally. Say finally, you know. Reclassify marijuana to Schedule 3 drug, which means it's going to be, you know, wrist hand slapping time instead of federal prison. Merrick Garland approved the proposed rule. So they're going to legalize this. Probably not. It doesn't say for recreational, but for medical and all this other stuff, they're going to finally legalize this. So this should lead to an explosion in, you know, all things cannabis. All right. So conclusion: Category V Biotech. That's their new name, guys. This is like a new deal here. So anyway, we've got a position, and I suggest you guys take a position because I don't think this is going to stay here double 11 very long. So anyway, I think that's it. Like I said, this is brand new stuff, just a few days old. There hasn't been any real trading. We can push the chart button. Do they have a chart yet? Let's push this chart button here. And, oh yeah, look at that. We do have a chart. So there it is, you know. Looks like a reverse golden cross here. That should turn around. Look at this Chaikin money flow. Holy crap. This is all green, guys. The MACD just blew up, crossed here. So, yeah, I got high hopes for this. I think this is going to be a real winner, alright? So anyway, thanks for, you know, watching and listening, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. I'm loving this. CATV, baby. CATV, yeah. Alright, see, oh, look at this. We got a positive drag ratio, too. That's nice. RSI 50, that's nothing. Okay, guys, that's it. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.